Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is about eyebrow, and these are the products I'll be using: fully brush, concealer, and a pair of pencils. And this product are my eyebrow gel. I'm brushing my eyebrow in place, yes, and using my pencil to draw a line below and another one above, just like that. Yes, I'm doing the same to the other eyebrow, drawing a line below and then drawing another one above it. That's pretty much it. Okay, now I'm filling the eyebrow with lighter strokes. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more video. I'm now brushing, using my spoolie brush to brush everything in place. Yes. Please comment down below what you want to see next. I think my next video will be a shout out to all the small YouTubers. If you want to be featured in that video, kindly leave a comment down below for you to be featured in my next video. Yes, I'm using Espresso LA Pro Concealer in the color Espresso and Fawn in concealing my eyebrow. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Yes, I'm using this concealer brush to conceal underneath my eyebrow. Most of the time you can use a lighter shade for this part, the underneath. You can use a lighter concealer for that part and use your actual skin tone, the concealer that is actually your color, or maybe similar to your color, to conceal the top part of your eyebrow. Yeah, the top part of your eyebrow. I didn't use much product. It was a very small amount of concealer. I just hope you learn one or two things from this simple eyebrow tutorial that I did. And don't worry if maybe when you were drawing with the pencil you did a mistake. Don't worry about that. You can go back with your concealer to correct that. And when you are concealing too, and maybe you use a lot of concealer or the concealer went through the lines, you can still go back with your pencil to correct that. Yes, I'm concealing the other eye. Okay, that's much it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.